Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Stomach cancer, and we're looking at the Bormanns classification. So under this, there are 5 varieties. So what is this first variety about? The first variety is, it means it's polypoid or fungating cancers. So it is polypoid or the fungating cancers. The second variety, it is fungated or ulcerated with surrounding elevated borders. It is fungating as well as it is ulcerated with the surrounding elevated borders. So it has a surrounding elevated borders. Next, looking at the third variety, this is where the ulcerative lesions infiltrates the gastric wall. So the ulcerated lesions, it infiltrates the gastric wall. Now moving on to the fourth variety. This is known as the linitis plastica. And it is diffusely infiltrating. The lastly is type 5. It means it is unable to be classified. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.